In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview a Udemy course on desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to check a course's style, pacing, and content for free before you commit, so you can enroll with confidence. Start by opening your favorite desktop web browser and heading to udemy.com. This process works best on a laptop or desktop, where the site's layout clearly shows all the key elements. Once the homepage loads, you'll see a prominent search bar near the top. Type the name of the course you're interested in, or enter a few keywords related to the topic you want to learn. Press Enter, and you'll be taken to a results page with course cards. Each card typically shows the title, instructor, rating, number of students, and the price. This gives you a quick snapshot, but to really understand a course, you'll want to look more closely. Click the course title or the card itself to open the course landing page. This page is your hub for everything about the course: the full description, curriculum outline, instructor profile, and student reviews. Take a moment to get your bearings here. This is where you'll find the preview option. On the right-hand side of the landing page, near the price or the enroll button, look for a button labeled Preview this course. The exact placement can vary slightly depending on your screen size, but it's usually in that top right area. If you don't see it, try scrolling a bit on the page. Some layouts tuck it just below the main course information. Keep in mind that not every instructor offers previews, so if it's truly not there, that particular course may not include them. When you're ready, click Preview this course. This opens a set of free sample lectures that the instructor has chosen. Think of these as a test drive. You'll get a feel for the teaching style, the clarity of explanations, the quality of audio and video, and the general structure of lessons. You may also see snippets from different parts of the course, which can help you judge how the content progresses from basics to more advanced topics. Take your time and watch enough to assess whether the pace and format suit your learning style. If a preview doesn't play smoothly, a quick page refresh usually helps, and trying another browser can resolve most playback hiccups. And if you find the previews helpful but still want more context, revisit the curriculum and reviews while you're on the landing page. That's all there is to it. Previewing a Udemy course on desktop is a fast, reliable way to make sure a course fits your needs before you enroll. Happy learning!